We want to congratulate you for taking action here today. Let's complete your order. What you're about to begin is the journey of creating awareness. But remember, awareness can fade, especially if it's not reinforced. The purpose of this course is to transform your mental game into default behavior. This means responding instinctively, even under pressure, rather than overthinking each move. Without a structured approach, it's easy for the mind to slip back into old patterns, no matter how much insight or intention you have. Motivation can dwindle, and willpower can be situational. Reinforcement isn't just about gathering more information, it's about sequencing, repetition, and consistent installation over time. You're tuning into this now because it's much easier to reinforce these ideas early rather than repairing them later. You have a choice. Continue with awareness alone or install the system now. Both are choices. One is predictable. If this matters to you, add the Winning the Mental Game home study course to your order now.